Right, breathe in and out. Ask your gods, tell your gods what to do. We are about to go live in 3, 2. She's a hard worker. She's a go-getter. Okay, good.
And another
And she
thing,
said-
like, ungaribali kuri. Akufana uhlaya profile yami.
She's a family. It's fine.
Ula kuba free,
Yeah,
ula
'cause I do have come handy.
man igi.
Don't worry. Those questions, mina nishibala. And then ngamvutsa is the child, ringa clearisha.
Hayi, arishi na ilakendla imani. Ngayi delay. Na ilakayeva.